Let me just adjust that. By the way, I am filming. I have my phone on my steering wheel. So yeah. Anyway, this is JYK's EDC Survival Let's Just Get Well Here knife channel. And I'm thinking, since I lube my vehicle, I need a vehicle solder kit. I should have one of those and all that. Now, in the video that I just uploaded to my vehicle life channel, I talk about what type of tools for even, like wrenches, jacks, etc. You know, I know one thing I'm putting into my thing, my Audu uh, jump sorter, lithium ion jump sorter. That's an essential. So yeah, and I'm gonna say, I know that's gonna be a good idea. I know it's gonna be a really good idea to have. Uh, and since I found since I have a multi tool that has like pliers, wrench, or like not wrench, but a couple of things to say, I can easily, you know, just do all that. What type of stuff do you think I should have in a vehicle survival kit? I want suggestions. So yeah. Anyway, also, you know, I'm probably gonna do more. Like, okay, so I'm definitely gonna upload the second or third one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do uh two things. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like parents who blame everyone for the child's crappy actions, and two, like, I don't know, right? So yeah. Anyway, so I'm such to think if you have any vehicle solve kit. Any suggestions? Peace.